Isuzu is generating excitement for the 4x4 D-Max and MUX with its 4x4 action playground show that it is taking around the country.
Isuzu Philippines Inc. has built a solid reputation as the partner for traders, entrepreneurs, and businessmen, and as a provider of practical, efficient, comfortable, or even luxurious family vehicles. But sometimes people forget that Isuzu is also a provider of vehicles for the fun-loving, adventurous, or even the thrill seekers. And this is why Isuzu has for this year launched a program to showcase the full capability of its top-of-line 4x4 D-Max and MUX. Called the Isuzu 4x4 Action Playground, the program was first launched in Metro Manila. It is more obstacle course than playground, featuring among others slip rollers, articulation ramps, and the mind-boggling simulation of a really steep hill. The plan is to take the show on the road across the country, to the regions where Isuzu vehicles can provide the perfect balance of practical and functional, comfort and convenience, adventurous and fun. The first stop out of Manila is Iloilo, the capital of Panay Island in the Central Visayas region. Panay provides the perfect venue for the kind of motoring experience that buyers of Isuzu lifestyle vehicles like the 4x4 D-Max and the 4x4 MUX can enjoy. Countryside roads perfect for road trips, to tourist destinations and attractions, like in nearby Guimaras Island, a short ferry hop away from Iloilo, where we can find Navalas Church in Buena Vista, one of the oldest churches in the Philippines. The Gisi Lighthouse in Dolores, Nueva Valencia, one of the oldest lighthouses built by the Spanish in the Visayas, now a relic of a bygone age that coexists side by side with its more modern counterpart. And for those who have the environment close to heart, there are the windmills, which provide clean energy to the community. But for a number of days, the biggest and most exciting attraction in Western Visayas is the Isuzu 4x4 playground set up at the Ayala Atria complex in Iloilo City.
We are here at the Iloilo for the opening of the second leg of the Isuzu 4x4 playground. This event showcases the 4x4 capability of our Isuzu MUX and Isuzu D-Max pickup truck. From Manila, we transferred this specially designed 4x4 urban courses so that Isuzu fans here in Iloilo will be able to experience the outstanding performance of our Isuzu 4x4 vehicles. Following the successful 4x4 event in Manila, we want to share the experience in the different parts of the country. Starting in the Visayas region, we choose Iloilo since the brand already has a very strong presence in the province. We want to also capitalize on the growing demand for 4x4 vehicles here, since their units are perfect for the natural hilly terrain of Panay Island.
The Isuzu dealership in Iloilo is both happy and proud to have been chosen as the first stop for the Isuzu 4x4 playground. But understandably, it is aware of why it has been chosen for the honor.
The Ilonggos are very appreciative of what Isuzu is in Iloilo, and because of that, they have bought and supported the different vehicles, especially the D-Max, the MUX, and the Crosswinds. The other thing is the Ilonggo is very happy also with our trucks that they started buying the trucks of Isuzu in Iloilo. For D-Max, Iloilo is one of the top-selling dealer of Isuzu Philippines in the whole country. In behalf of the Ilonggos, we'd like to express our gratitude to Isuzu Philippines for bringing it to Iloilo, the first provincial branch wherein they brought it here. Definitely, it will again put a good name for Isuzu Philippines that our D-Max is the best in its category. The Ilonggos will further affirm themselves that they have a good buy with the D-Max.
Isuzu brought the whole show to Iloilo. and also set up an exhibit of Isuzu's lineup of vehicles it sells in the country.
We have brought actually all the obstacle courses that we have designed in Manila here by shipping them directly to Iloilo. And the highlights of this is, of course, at my back is the 20-feet trail hill, but according to Bibo, it's not actually 20, but it's already 30 because of the adjustment that they have made to make it more thrilling for the Iloilo market. Also, we have the articulation ramp, we have the 40-degree traverse angle, and we have the sleeper roller. So the Isuzu D-Max and the Isuzu MiX are the vehicle that we are using right now, and both are now equipped with the 3.0-liter PGS turbo diesel engine that deliver a maximum power of 163 PS and maximum torque of 380 Newton meters.
Professional 4x4 driver B-Boy Vargas explains the challenges presented by each obstacle. The highlight of the 4x4 playground is the challenge for the public to ride on board the D-Max or the MUX, driven of course by professional 4x4 drivers, in completing the whole course, including the steepest steel ramp, perhaps devised for testing the 4x4 capability of the Isuzu. To show that even Isuzu's top execs are confident the D-Max and the MUX can take on the toughest obstacle course, they themselves first took on the challenge. After Iloilo, more cities in the itinerary for the Isuzu 4x4 playground event.
To all televiewers, we invite you to please visit the Isuzu dealership near you and check out the latest 4x4 variant of the Isuzu MiX and D-Max. Watch out also the next starting the Isuzu 4x4 playground near your area. Thank you very much.
The challenge of taking on a steep hill looks daunting, but then again, those who take on the challenge can take courage from the knowledge that they are riding on an Isuzu.